bet you they're right over there.
They gotta be right there.
Right behind those trees.
Of course. Those trees were probably weren't there 5 years. It's not like we're not seeing fire.
Right there?
There you go.
It's gotta be right there. That's it right there.
There they are.
Wow.
Is that the finale?
You see him, William?
William.
They're having the finale first?
Oh, we're just getting the noise now. Boy, that took a little while.
Yeah.
Can I provide sound effects? Bang, bang, boom, bang, 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 boom, 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 boom,
Okay.
bang, crack,
You do
bang.
that. Ooh.
No, that's what I got at the game. Wow, those are playing tag over there.
Yeah.
Those are spectacular.
Yeah, what your brother said we couldn't see him, I thought.
Oh, you probably didn't know they have the stock here now.
He probably came when they were. No, the stock could get crowded, so stay over there. William over there, Wendy? Where's William? William?
Cannonball.
William with you?
No. He's right next to you. Oh my goodness. Yeah, stay right there, Sydney. The water's pretty deep out here, too. The water's pretty deep here, too. Probably about 4
Oh, I
feet.
could get her out of that.
Do you know how to swim at all? William learned really good at the Y.
Did he?
Yeah, he wouldn't go underwater, and then they taught him how to go underwater. And they teach him in the deep end,
I
so
used
they
to eat
can't
at
touch.
Hawaii.
You don't do it anymore?
Did you get that on videotape?
Yes, I
too?
did.
Good, good. No, I still do it.
What? You eating at the Y? You got it on videotape?
I learned to swim at the Y too. I work out at the Y too.